Now, my two comments in the kitchen this evening are, first of all, 22-year-old Shima. She's actually from LA.
Unfortunately.
Second, we have John from Greenock. That's just outside Glasgow, in fact, where my parents are from.
That's OK, chef.
Right, tonight's starter is the most amazing watercress soup. Very simple, very straightforward, and it's finished with a delicious poached egg. Hot olive oil, watercress in. Then season. And I've got some thinly sliced potatoes here. I'm just going to sprinkle thinly sliced potatoes over the top. And they're almost like little sort of crisps, nice and transparent and very thin. And what this does to the soup, it almost gives it a little bit of texture, helps to thicken up a little bit. Hot boiling water ready, lightly seasoned, and just pour that over the watercress. And all I'm going to do now is put 2 or 3 little knobs of butter in there. And that butter gives us its richness. Now the potatoes are cooked within seconds, the watercress is sweated down. So I'm going to take it off now and blitz it for 30 seconds. This is so easy. Anyone can do this at home. This really nice, rich, tasty, made-to-order watercress soup.
Right, now for the poached egg.
First of all, get a whisk and just gain some momentum in the water. And what this does, as it starts to poach the egg white wraps around the egg yolk so it forms like a mozzarella ball. I've cracked my eggs into this mould, but you can put it in an espresso cup or a tea cup. It just makes it a lot easier for dropping the egg into the water. Now, the water's going around that way, so we put the egg in that way. Ready? And in. And the most important thing is now, the momentum in the water's spinning round. So it's wrapping itself up in its own egg white. And the secret behind a good poached egg is taking it out of the water and putting it in ice water to cool down. And it stops it from overcooking. Look at that. Lovely poached egg. Into ice water, and that cools it down. But look at the egg. It's come out like a really nice ball of mozzarella. It's still nice and soft in the centre. We're looking for that egg yolk to sort of enrich the soup. Lightly season it. And then soup. Yeah? And just let it run round naturally.
Yeah, chef.
Good. Leaf on top. Let's go. Now, just a touch of oil on there.
Yeah, chef.
Look, let's squirt it out. Just let it run round naturally. OK, go. Table 7, please.
On appearance, it was quite surprising, but on taste, it contrasted to that surprise because it was really, really lovely. I really enjoyed it. And the poached egg was perfect. So, yeah, it was really perfect start to what should hopefully be a really good meal.
The soup was full of flavour, and then unexpected in the middle, a nice warm poached egg, and it complemented the soup round it. Spot on.